that we must do is write a recipe. So I was thinking I can do a very easy, boring recipe like making jelly or how to make a sandwich. But I am in the mood for making something, so I decided on cinnamon buns. It is a bit difficult, but I'm gonna make it easier. So let's start. What you're gonna need: your hands, bowl, 4 cups of flour, 1.5 cup of milk, 2 tablespoons of butter, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1.5 tablespoon of yeast. Ruben is gonna help me. Ruben, so you take the 4 cups of flour and chuck it in the bowl. Then you take your sugar and you chuck it in the bowl. Your yeast. Now you just mix it a bit with your hand that he has already washed. Mix, mix, mixed. Then you take your butter and your milk and you throw that in. This is a bit tricky. Let's see how. And do not throw all the milk in. Throw 3/4 of it in. That there's just a little bit left over. Throw that in. Throw it in, throw it in. Nog. Yeah, there you go. Okay, now you stop and you mix a bit with your hand. I will take the butter, mix, mix, mix. Now you mix. Oh, my butter is not melted anymore. Take the butter as well. Take it up with your hands. So, let's do some milk. So now we're just going to knead it a bit.
Ready, go!
I was trying a bit. Really, Ruben. Do you want to switch? Huh? Do you want to do the video and then I'll do the thing? Okay. Okay, let's just pause a bit and let me help him here. Okay, now we've got big problems because his hands is dirty and he doesn't like it and he does not know how to get it off. So now I'm just showing him a bit. When you take the dough, you do it like that. And that is why you don't throw all the milk in. Sometimes it is cold. Ruben, you can just put this, yeah, just bring it here, your hands, please. There's still some stuff on there. So now we're going to knead. I usually do this with my machine, but I know not everybody has mixers and stuff on hand. So there you go. I'm throwing in my milk, my last milk, and now I am kneading. The thing with bread or anything that you bake, it's like a science and you have to have some experience, but the more you do it, the better it is. See, yeah, how it looks. It's a bit, I still need a bit of moisture. So then I'm just going to take a bit of water. Ruben, can you bring me some water, please? Okay, so now I'm not going to use all this water. I'm just putting a little bit at a time. This is really like my favorite buns because now you must make sure that it's not sticky. Make a dough like this. It's not supposed to be sticky and put it on your hands. See, I'm starting to get better. Okay. Let's make sure. So some frustrations here. He's asking me, maybe I'm English, if we're going to do its thing. Okay. See, it's not supposed to be sticky. So now I've thrown, I think, just too much water. It's not supposed to sit on my hands. So now I'm just going to put a little bit more flour in, but not a lot. It's just to make sure that it's not sticky. I'm sure if you don't want to do this from scratch, if you go to the shop and you buy bread dough there, that will be fine as well. So if you are struggling with this first part, you can buy bread dough. Then I will show you how to make it. Okay, so this is how my dough looks like. Nice and mixed. And it's not, look, my hands, it's not sticking to my hands. And I'm just kneading it nicely. Then there's a little trick that I've learned. You take some oil. Bring me some oil, Ruben. And then you just a little bit of oil. you're going to put it on the dough. And that is that it does not make a crust. Look, it's not a lot of oil so that it doesn't. And that's that. So now you're going to cover it with Glad wrap. Give me some Glad wrap, Ruben. And then you're going to put it in the sun for about an hour. So remember, this is the difficult part. You can buy dough from the shop. Yes, so I will show you the other steps later. For the next step, you're going to need 1 cup of cinnamon sugar. And for the other side of my hand, some butter. So now our dough has been in the sun for an hour. Okay, so next is the fun part. Let me just call Ruben. Come here. Now he's going to take the dough out of the bucket and he's going to make a snake. Okay, so now he has done a snake thingy. We're just going to take some flour and we're going to cover the table. Put it down. Yes. Now he's going to roll it.
Lady, go!
Now you're going to roll it. Just roll it. Just, you must put it in it, please. Okay, now just do it like as well. Okay, you hold here. Let me show you. You hold. Then I'm going to roll it. Okay, so now it looks like this. Now you're going to take some butter. Ruben, look here. Take some butter and cover the whole base. Yes, with your hands, take it. Okay, and now you cover. Cover. So everywhere as well. Take some more butter. But you're going to take your cup of sugar and you're going to spread it. Now you spread it all over. Yeah, he's going to use your hand now. He's going to use his hand now. And then he's going to make this whole base. So sugar. That's spread it with your hand. Good, good, good. Okay. Now, I'm going to give the phone to him. Oh, Lenta, come and help us. Please, our hands are dirty. Quick, quick, quick. Hold it. Yeah, only there for my hands. No? Now you're going to roll it. Rolling. Okay, now it looks like that. Looks like that. Now you are cutting it like this. See the sugar is going out, that's fine. And then you're going to put it. Now it looks like that. Now you're going to cover it with Glad wrap again. And then it is going back into the sun again for about taking it to the sun.
Sunlight.
Okay, and we wait. This has been busy for an hour doing its magic, doubled in size. Now we're going to put it in the oven on 180 degrees for 20 minutes. While it's in the oven, we're going to make the sauce on top. Okay, I've taken off the plastic. Now I'm putting it in the oven, 180 degrees for 20 minutes. And now I'm going to tell you how to make this sauce. You're going to need 1 cup of icing sugar, 2 tablespoons of milk, 2 tablespoons of butter. You can smell this cinnamon buns. So you bake it for about 20 minutes. So now mine is baked. Don't burn myself. I'm taking it out. And now I'm putting it here. And now, do you remember that icing sugar and the milk that you have melted? You take that and then you take your brush and you brush it over. And it's lovely, it's lovely as well. My husband don't like sweet so much, so what I usually do is I make half of it sweet and half of it with Marmite and what do you call it? Cheese. That is lovely. Done that. It looks lovely. We're gonna eat now. I know the first part of the recipe is a bit difficult. That's why I told you can go and buy bread dough. I am going to write an easy recipe for the learners to try to copy and write down. This is a bit difficult, but I wanted to have them to let the moms have some fun as well and look at their baking skills. Do you believe that you can make cinnamon rolls? I did not think I would be able to make it. So, good luck, and remember, if it flops, try again. Bye.